I get a feeling it's going to be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is a small ride going towards Kondaveedu Fort right now. It's 1 o'clock. So we just stopped for lunch and we started our ride towards Kondaveedu Fort. It is about 20-25 odd kilometers from here, and it's a single lane road. The roads look nice. So there's a lot of renovation and there's a lot of modernization that went on. It used to be very raw when I went there. I went there around 5 years ago. So let's see how it is after 5 years. So if you are heading towards Vijayawada and you are taking a halt somewhere near Vijayawada or Guntur, you can definitely come check out this place, especially for the road. I would definitely keep this on the priority list. If you haven't been here, you should. This is one of the roads to check out, and in a second you'll be seeing the reason why as well. I'll try to get the best shots as much as I can for you to see how it looks and for you to come and explore yourself. And if you are picking up a bike for the first time and you want to get the thrill of the twisties and whatnot, you can definitely come over here. It's around 40-45 odd kilometers from Guntur and around 75 odd kilometers to 80 odd kilometers from Vijayawada. So just make sure you're starting the ride early in the morning so that you don't get sweaty or like how I'm traveling right now. It is too hot. It's too hot. I don't know how my friend is doing up there. He is a bit reluctant to wear the helmet once again, so oh boy. Huh? Huh? What the screaming hell is this? Oyo. Oh bhaiya, nee download sir map chuste better. I didn't take the turn where I'm supposed to. Now I'm just heading back. At least I didn't get to ditch the bike into the muddy pool that was out there. Nabungon ni board. అన్న ఇది కొండవీడి కోట ఇట్లానేనా? ఓ హే టికెట్ సిస్టమ్ కూడా ఉందా? ఎంత ఎంతది? ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు భయ్యా? So this is how it begins, guys. The entry is around 20 rupees per vehicle. That is for bike, and I don't know about the car. I think it might be 40, and per person it is 20. So it is 60 rupees for us. Like we are 2 people and the bike, and they were trying to charge 1500 from us for the cameras, but I talked out of it. So this road, as good as it looks and as tempting as it is, be a little mindful of all the gravel and these kind of steep turns. So oftentimes I've seen that if you can see, there is a lot of rock slides and see the rock falling. So be a little careful. There will be gravel and debris, whatnot. I don't want anyone to have a bad slide and wreck your boots or wreck your ankles and stuff. Be a little mindful of that, and the rest should be okay. So just have a test run or have a lap up the hill once, see how the road is, just see how things are, and then go hard on it. Just don't directly blindly start revving up your engine and try to take the hard twists. It is not suggested. It's a small 2 kilometer or a 3 kilometer hike up the hill. So just go up once and come back down, and then do your testing and whatnot. And always remember, you are not on a racetrack. This is not a racetrack. This is a ghat road. So be mindful of it when you are on this road, or not on this roads, any kind of ghat roads for that matter.
ఇదంతా కొత్తగా వేసారు, ఇది లేకుండా ఇంతకుముందు. ఇదంతా రోడ్ లేకుండా మొత్తం మట్టి రోడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది చాలా డెడ్లీ ఉంటుండే, ఈ టర్న్ మొత్తం గ్రావెల్తో నిండిపోయి ఉంటుండే. ఇదంతా మొత్తం గ్రావెల్, నారో రోడ్ ఇది, అది మొత్తం అంతా దిగేదాకా గోపురం అని చెప్పారు కదా. ఇఫ్ యూ వానా గో వీ కెన్ గో. అదే ఈడ నుంచి నడవాలా బ్రో? ఎంత దూరం నడవాలా భయ్యా? చాలా దూరం నడవాలి భయ్యా. So I didn't go inside. It's too crowded and they stopped allowing vehicles inside, and I am a very lazy walker. ఇక్కడ పెట్రోల్ అయిపోతే ఎట్లా మరి?